T3 shifter bushings installed. This is Autohaus Z, and today we're doing an install on some T3 shifter bushings. Let's see what's inside this bag. Alright, so we have a few different pieces inside this baggie from T3. We have a shifter bushing seat, these two, and then finally the pivot at the end for the shifter ball. So if you can see in this diagram, this bushing is what these two guys are. Back in the day, this was one piece, but I guess so many people were having problems installing it that they made it a two-piece design now. So fairly straightforward to install. You want to make sure that all your stuff is clean first. Don't install this into a dirty shifter tower. So just following the instructions, we'll put in our shifter base first. We'll put in these two guys with the flat side down. If you guys can see, I have the ends on the bottom of these two pins, and I'll just get this end and roll it under a pin. Ooh. Alright, and there we go. So how do you get the shifter seat onto the shifter ball? The best way I found is to get a dead blow hammer, and then if you position this on top of the shifter ball and hit it with the dead blow hammer, this guy should compression fit on. And then it helps if you add a little bit of grease to help this guy slide on. So we'll do that right now. Alright, so I did it off camera, but basically you want to hold this thing straight up and down, prop it up against something hard, hold this and give it one good hard whack. So before you assemble this guy, you want to make sure this surface is greased. It's okay to put some grease inside this guy too, because the gear oil is actually just going to mix with the grease and wash it out. This will go inside. Once this is inside the shifter base, there's actually a spring in here, so you'll need to press down on this base while you get this C-clip to clip in on top, and that C-clip will go inside. So I'll try to demonstrate that on camera right now. Once the C-clip's in there, I'll kind of push the ends. max them out each way, make sure that thing's in there, and then make sure give this thing a good shake, because sometimes you think the C-clip's in there and the C-clip will pop back out. But and yeah, there we go, our T3 shifter bushings installed. That's it for our T3 shifter rebuild kit bushing install. I highly recommend this kit. I've probably installed a dozen of these by now, if not more than that. You can get these straight from T3 or from Battle Garage. I will leave a product link in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.